Primary flight control surfaces are essential components of an aircraft that enable pilots to control the movement and attitude of the aircraft during flight. There are three primary flight control surfaces. Ailerons. Ailerons are located on the outer trailing edges of the wings, one on each wing. They control the roll of the aircraft, which is the rotation around its longitudinal axis. When the pilot moves the control column or yoke to the right aileron moves up, reducing lift on that wing and causing the aircraft to roll to the right. Conversely, when the control column is moved to the left aileron moves up, causing the aircraft to roll to the left. Ailerons are used to initiate turns and maintain bank angles during flight. Elevators. Elevators are located on the trailing edge of the horizontal stabilizer at the rear of the aircraft. They control the pitch of the aircraft, which is the rotation around its lateral axis. When the pilot pulls back on the control column or yoke, the elevators move up, reducing the lift on the tail and causing the aircraft to pitch up. When the control column is pushed forward, the elevators move down, increasing the lift on the tail and causing the aircraft to pitch down. Elevators are used to control the aircraft's nose up and nose down attitude. Rudder. The rudder is located on the trailing edge of the vertical stabilizer at the rear of the aircraft. It controls the yaw of the aircraft, which is the rotation around its vertical axis. When the pilot presses on the rudder pedals, the rudder moves to the left or right. When the rudder is deflected to the left, it creates more drag on the left side of the aircraft, causing the nose to yaw to the left. Conversely, when the rudder is deflected to the right, the nose yaws to the right. The rudder is primarily used to control the aircraft's direction during coordinated turns and to counteract adverse yaw. These three primary flight control surfaces work in conjunction with each other to provide the pilot with control over the aircraft's roll, pitch, and yaw, allowing for safe and precise maneuvering during flight.